How to add music to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now over here you will find this option of your story. Tap on this option. With that your gallery will open up. Now from here you can select the photo or video in which you want to add the music. After you select it, at the top right you will find different icons. You have to tap on this sticker icon. Open it. With that you're gonna get different options. Tap on the option of music. Now over here you will get tons of music options. You can choose any of the music of your choice. In the case you cannot find over here, at the top you will see this search box. You can just type in the name of the song and it will appear, and then you can select it. After you select the song, at the bottom you'll find this icon. By scrolling on right and left in this way, you can select the particular part of the music. Tapping on this icon, you can choose clip duration. You can set it up to 15 seconds. Likewise, from here you can select the template. After you choose it, you can place it and then you can upload it as your story. So this is how you add music to your Instagram story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.